Hello, in this video I want to show you how to locate the serial number on your REOLINK Argus Pro. And to do this you need to remove the battery, so hold this button and push it downwards in that side. Sorry, you didn't see it, so let's try that. So like this, push it down, remove the battery from the slot, and right here on the left side we should see the serial number. Or actually on the battery side, which is L8102 for this device. It's right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.